We have heard learned counsel for the applicant and respondent Arif Mahmood and have also perused the record produced by the Assistant Controller Record of the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Faisalabad. Applicants learned counsel read out the detailed statement of Assistant Controller Record of the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Faisalabad dated 22/4/2013, according to whom the FA certificate of the respondent was fake because on the date of FA examination, the respondent Arif Mahmood purportedly appeared at two centers, that is, at one as a private candidate and at the other as a regular candidate. The admission form as a private candidate bears pink color, whereas the admission form of regular students is yellowish white. Learned counsel for the respondent submitted that the only evidence against the respondent is the statement of Mr. Fida Hussain, Assistant Controller Record, whereas a close look at the admission forms would indicate that in the pink form, private admission form, his matric roll number is correctly written as 11592 and his name also has been correctly written as Arif Mahmood. However, in the yellowish white admission form, regular admission form, the matriculation roll number is incorrectly written as 18592 and even the name has not been correctly written, that is Arif Mahmood Gill. As that in the degree of Bachelor of Arts of respondent regarding which there is no dispute, his name is written as Arif Mahmood. He lastly submitted that in 2003, pursuant to the directions issued by the London Lahore High Court in a petition filed by some other objector, a detailed inquiry was carried out by the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education and the FA degree of the respondent was found to be genuine. We have examined the record to which reference has been made by learned counsel for the respondent with the assistance of board official and find that the submissions made by the respondent learned counsel prima facie are not without substance. But in these proceedings, no conclusive finding can be given if applicant still wishes to challenge the authenticity of the FA degree of the respondent. He may take recourse to other remedy if available under the law. In the aforereferred circumstances, the suo motu notice issued to the respondent as also the order of suspension of his membership from Provincial Assembly seat dated 25/9/2013 is withdrawn. This CMA is disposed of in terms noted above.